Hello, Pioneer. Did you know that the PiNetwork project is different from other projects that have existed? This project is unique. If you believe it, write in the comment. PiNetwork to the moon. Make sure you have to click the subscribe button to Pi News World. Ooh, wowoo, Pioneer. Did you know that you have already become a millionaire because of PiNetwork? Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Happy Pi Day 2025, PiNetwork's 6th official anniversary. With Open Network now launched, celebrate the expansion of PiNetwork's ecosystem on all levels and real-world functionality. Multiple releases today. Pi Day 2025, expanding the ecosystem with utilities on all levels after Open Network. With the launch of Open Network and external connectivity enabled, PiNetwork has entered a new era, one that connects its thriving ecosystem to the broader blockchain world and expands its real-world functionality. Millions of pioneers are using Pi, tens of thousands of businesses are integrating it into their services, and many apps were built that address community and ecosystem needs and drive real engagement, showcasing Pi's strength and stability for not just the PI community, but also the broader crypto space and internet. Pi Day 2025 celebrates the expansion of the Pi ecosystem on all levels, be it local commerce or apps and platform-level utilities, all the while leveraging the strength and collective resources of the global Pi community. Pi is already reaping the benefits of the work pioneers put into growing the network, contributing to network infrastructure, commerce integration, and utility building over the past 6 years. Pioneers have and continue to realize Pi's real-world utility, use cases, and the possibilities that blockchain technology offers in a non-conformist way while continuing their journey. In support of expanding the PI ecosystem and Pi's overall utility, Pi released several features today which accompanied the start of the global PiFest event. The PI domains auction, PiFest shopping period begins, mainnet ecosystem application expansion, and mainnet ecosystem UI revamp. The PI domains auction introducing a new platform-level utility. Domains are an important infrastructure layer of any online ecosystem. On the first Pi Day after Open Network, the expansion of the Pi ecosystem starts by enabling participants and contributors of the Pi ecosystem to have the opportunity to secure and have customized Pi domains for their businesses, brands, stores, content, apps, websites, personal use, etc., while at the same time providing platform-level utility for the Pi cryptocurrency through the Pi domain auction. This platform-level utility harnesses the collective resources of the Pi community and the enabled external connectivity provided by the Open Network. What are the Pi domains? Traditional internet domains function as unique identifiers and digital addresses, enabling individuals and businesses to establish a recognizable and accessible online presence and facilitating easy navigation, branding, and user engagement across the global internet infrastructure. Similarly, PI domains serve as unique digital identifiers or virtual storefronts within the Pi ecosystem, simplifying interactions with Pi-based websites, apps, and services.